Hi you guys, welcome to week 2 of online learning. So last week we discussed area and what that means, right? And I told you about my horrible story with Carly and the rug. Ugh. Yeah, and I had to throw it away, and it was my favorite rug. It was beautiful and pink, and I loved it. So anyways, area was the entire shape, right? Everything on the inside. This week we're talking about perimeter, and I know you just saw in the Google slide, I put the word rim in capital letters because it gives you a hint in the word. So if you're ever reading a word problem and you're like, I don't know what to do, well, the word perimeter tells you what to do. You're looking at the rim. Okay, the rim is the outside, the fence. Yeah, so I have 3 problems that we're going to work through really quick, all right? Okay. Okay, this is problem number 1, and I wanted to start out really simple. We just have a normal triangle, and they gave you everything you need to know to solve, right? We have all 3 side lengths. All we care about is the rim. Remember? Rim, perimeter. Okay, so the rim is this part of the shape. That side, and that side. So, easy. We can even just skip count to solve this. 5, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter here would be 12 centimeters. Okay, this is problem number 2. I know it says number 1, but I wanted to do it in a different order than this worksheet had them. So with this perimeter question, you notice that it's a rectangle, but that it's missing some stuff. Well, at least we think it's missing some stuff. But when we sit here for a second and we look at it and we're like, what? Like, how are we going to do this? Aha! Light bulb goes off. I know rectangles. I remember that this side and this side are congruent. Y'all remember what congruent is? I hope so. Means equal, right? Those 2 sides are equal. Then this side over here and this side over here are also congruent or equal. So I can just go ahead and fill in the missing numbers. 7 feet, so over here has to be 7 feet. 8 feet, up here has to be 8 feet. Okay, now we're ready to go, and this is going to be super easy. It's just doubles. 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and cross this off because I'm finished and I want to stay organized. Then I have 7 and 7, which is 14. And I'm ready to add up the total, and I'm just going to make sure I'm staying organized, okay? So 6 plus 4 is 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the perimeter of this shape is 30 feet. Oops, I'm telling you, one-handed is hard. Okay guys, this is our last problem, and I saved the best for last, okay? This was actually in a word problem, this picture was, and I didn't want to have to read through it all. I just wanted to be able to practice on the skill, okay? So in the problem, it told us what the perimeter was. It says the perimeter is 87 miles. So this whole train track, like all the way around, all of it is 87. That's our total. Well, we know what this side is. It's 16 miles long. This side, this short little one, is only 11 miles long. This one is 18 miles long. This one is 13 miles long. And then this one, the one that goes along the top, is a mystery. There's a question mark there. Okay, I know this might seem a little tricky, but I promise you it's not. To figure out what this is, we're just going to have to add up all these sides so we'll know how long it is from here all the way to here, right? All the way around we'll know once we add. And then we just subtract and see what's left over. And the leftover part will be our answer. So I'm one-handed. I'm going to try to be as still as possible with the camera. I'm just going to start adding up and I'm going to stay organized, okay? So I'm going to start with 16 and 11. So I have 16, 11, which is going to be 27, okay? Now I'm going to take my 27 and I'm going to add on the next number, which is 18. When I see this 8 and 7, my brain just automatically thinks, oh, doubles, minus 1. So I'm going to say 16 minus 1 is 15. 4. Okay, almost done. 45. And then I'm going to add it to our last number, 13. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then 5. So we're at 58. But we still need to find the missing part, so we have to subtract from the whole thing. 87. I better not see anybody put their 58 on top. No. Okay, 58. Aw, man, I can't do it. All right, no big deal. Gonna go to the tens place. We're gonna use 1, so all we have left is 7 tens. That extra 10 stick that we just got, we're gonna put it over here, and that turns into 17. Now we're ready to subtract. Okay, so that would be 9. Ooh, no. Sorry. And then 7 subtract 5, which would be 2. I'm gonna have to try to hold it again. So our answer here for this mystery number would be 29 miles. This side right here is 29 miles. Okay, that's it. That's all we're gonna do with perimeter. Hopefully that didn't stress you out too bad and you are leaving this video feeling like, yeah, I got this. Okay, but if you're not, that's fine. Remember, I told you I'm here to help you. If you want to do a Zoom with me, we can work on this more together, okay? All right, well, good luck. And that's all I got for today.